myself is part of the training, and I myself is also learning. Okay? So ngayong gabing ito, let's start our training. Right? So thank you everybody and good evening mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Magandang gabi po kung saan ka man nanonood sa parte ng mundong ito. If you're from the US, Asia, Europe, Africa, anywhere, any parts of the world, I'd like to say you are in the right video and then you are in the right seminar. So today we're going to be discussing what are the secrets to be a pro online networker. No, for a lot of people who are trying their luck to be a successful networker, a lot of them are having uh, a hard time in terms of marketing the business. Kasi siyempre, if you market the business, you need money. Di ba? Paglabas mo ng bahay, kailangan mo ng pera. You need gasoline, you need food, you need to travel, you need to talk to someone, you need to give them coffee, you need to feed them. And then at the end of the meeting, they will just tell you, okay, I'll let you know, I'll think about it. So after you spending a lot of money on the travel. For example, your travel, you spend 200 pesos from Laguna to Quezon City to meet up with the person, or tapos nag-dinner pa kayo, you spend an additional 1,000 pesos, and then nag-coffee pa kayo, nag-cake pa kayo, additional 500 pesos. You spend a little close to 3,000 in a day, and knowing the person na kausap mo will just tell you, I'll let you know, I'll think about it. So I know how frustrating that is. Okay? That's why, to be honest, guys, no, a lot of networkers are quitting. A lot of networkers are stopping the business, not because the business is not good and not nice and not making them money, but it's because you need so much money to go around. 'Di ba? Mga networker, alam nila Ron and Jento, hindi ako makano, kailangan ko ng panggalaw, panggalaw, galaw, galaw, galaw. Palaging ganun ang comment ng mga tao, kailangan ko gumalaw, galaw, galaw. 'Di ba? Kasi every time you go out of the house, you have to spend money, gasoline, food, and etc. Now, we found a way for you, especially for the people who is starting in the business. Number one, people who doesn't have any so much money to go around the world to the Philippines or around the city to talk to people. We found a solution for you if you don't have time, if you are working, for example, iba mga professionals natin dito sa video, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, or if you are working in a manager, etc., supervisor, if you're working 8 to 5, that won't stop you to become a networker. If you are a basketball player like Boba and Mo, that won't stop you to become a networker. Why? We can do this even though you are busy. We can do this even though you don't have so much money to travel the Philippines, the world, and to other places. Why? Because today's topic is very, very wonderful because these are the secrets to be a pro online networker. So let's get ready sa ating napakagandang centering at training today, June 25, 2024. Now, pag-uusapan po natin is the social network. Now, to be a successful online networker, it's very important for you to focus the power of network marketing using social network. What are the social network platforms? Everybody knows about Facebook. Everybody knows about Instagram. Everybody knows about TikTok. But these platforms, not everybody are maximizing this to give them leads. No, sa Tagalog, hindi po natin 'to nagagamit para makakuha tayo ng mga kliyente natin. But did you know, guys, that these online platforms is the most powerful way for you to get your leads, for you to find your leaders, for you to find your partners. On top of flyering, on top of meeting them face to face, on top of talking to your friends, keeping in touch with them. This is on top of everything. Tonight, we want to look at social media as the big ocean for us to look for those big fishes. The power of online platforms, we can build relationships. people we know, people we don't know. We can provide value. You can grow your network using Facebook. In my Facebook account, 90% hindi ko kilala yon. They just added me. Maybe only 10% I know. You can grow your business using Facebook. If you have Facebook today, if you have Instagram today, if you have TikTok today, you can leverage these platforms by number one, sending them private messages. Hi, would you be free or would you be open to listen to an idea that can give you an extra 500,000 a month doing it at your free time, online or offline, at your most comfortable schedule? If you are, let me know. If you're not, it's okay. There's no pressure. I wouldn't mind. Thank you so much. Imagine, guys, no? If you will look at your Facebook account, look at it now. Look at it now. Tignan nyo. You have 4,000 friends. You have 5,000 maximum friends already. Imagine, guys, imagine only 5 people among 5,000 friends join your business. That's more than enough. Why? These 5 friends has also their own 5,000 friends in their Facebook, social media, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Let's maximize your Facebook account. Let's maximize your thing. Oh, Pee-wee, I don't want to show my face in the camera. I don't want to. I'm shy. I don't. I'm not good in talking. It's not me with taking photo of me. A lot of people are like that, and I deeply respect that. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to show your face. Okay? It's just that let's use your Facebook. Kung ayaw mo pakita mukha mo, pwedeng nagsasalita kamay lang, talking about your business. But you know what? It's better if they see you. Remember, visibility is credibility. Credibility is business. Business is money. I'll say it again. Credibility is from visibility. Visibility gives you business. Business gives you money. Why until today you see Andrew Tan talking about Mega World? Why today, Mr. Ayala, you see them on social media talking about their projects? Why today, until today, you see the son of Henry C., Big Boy, you see them on social media? Why today you see Mr. Chavit Singson on social media? Why today you see Manny Pacquiao on social media? Why today you see Mr. Jonathan Socarlito makadang on social media? Because again, these billionaires will understands that visibility is credibility. Credibility is business. Business is money. So don't be shy to show your face, or don't also think, ay, ang cheap naman if they see me online. No, no, no. Andrew Tan is not a cheap person. Big Boy C is not a cheap person. Ayala Zubel is not cheap. Jonathan So, wag na tayo lumayo. Jonathan So and Carlito Makadangdang, youngest billionaires, are not cheap people, but you see them online, stories, Facebook, reels, post. They are not cheap. No, they just understand the structure of business. Visibility is credibility. Credibility is business. Business is money. So start showing yourself in the marketplace. Okay, but we can do it slowly. Don't worry. We're not pressuring you. We will just do it slowly. One step at a time. Kunyari, finger lang muna. Di ba? Kunyari, okay, hands na nakikita. Oh, oh, arms na. Oh, shoulders na. Oh, kilay lang. Oh, nose lang. And then, next thing you know, oh, wow, whole body na. So let's do it one step at a time. No pressure. All right? So once we use the social media, now, tonight, I would like to request everybody to look at your social media, activate your social media. If you haven't been posting for the longest time, kapatid, that's a golden, that's a golden, that's a money making machine. Your social media. So let's start posting at least 1 to 3 a day. Now, PV, what do I post? Okay, before we post anything, we need to understand the personal branding. When you say personal branding, we need to build a strong personal brand. What is a personal brand? Your self-image. Who are you? Are you a funny guy? Are you a professional guy? Are you a serious guy? Are you a badass, a handsome guy? Are you a young entrepreneur? Are you an old entrepreneur? Are you a young single mom? Are you a single mom working? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a student? Are you a etc. Whatever you are, whatever personal branding. For example, wag na tayo lumayo. Boba, I'm a basketball player, but I'm also an entrepreneur. So you can start from there. You can brand yourself as I'm a basketball player and I'm 20 years old and I want to be an entrepreneur. That's why I'm here. So you can brand yourself like that. Like me, I brand myself as I am young, I am an entrepreneur, I'm a young multi-millionaire entrepreneur. That's my branding. I'm a young, funny, multi-millionaire. Relax lang. Hindi ako yung, hi, I'm Peewee. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I'm not like that. But there's nothing wrong on being serious. Just that I chose to be packaged like that. Young, funny, entrepreneur, multi-millionaire. Something like that. So yun yung imaging ko. Nakakatawa. Kaya mapapansin mo yun sa mga post ko, diba? I dance. Para people would see, he's not a stiff guy. He's a cool guy. So that's my personal branding. Young, funny, happy guy, but multi-millionaire, you know? All right. So pick a self-image. Let's say, for example, Ana Resyo, I'm a mom, single mom. I work. I am an independent, strong woman, and I found a business that could change and probably give the entire dreams that I have for myself and for my family. It's something like that. Every image, tayong lahat may kanya-kanya tayong image eh. Si Elka may iba siyang image. I'm a trader before, blah, 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 blah. Si Ann Garcia, may ibang image yan. I'm a contractor, I'm an engineer before, I'm an architect, etc., etc. But now, I naintindihan ko na not all the time I have projects, but ganito, I'm a professional young woman naman siya. Pwedeng ganon. Si Krisha naman, iba ang self-image. Ang self-image niya, I'm a young housewife with two kids, but I'm enjoying just playing, but still, I dance on social media, but still, I'm an young entrepreneur. So tonight, write down at least 5 bullets. How do you want to to be seen on social media? Write down 5. Me, I want to be seen young. I want to be seen an entrepreneur. I want to be seen like a multimillionaire. I want to be seen as a funny guy, cool guy. I want to be seen as a happy guy. Hindi boring. Di ba? Gusto ko ganun eh. So, pick your own image. Those 5. And then from there, dun tayo susunod sa mga postings mo. Then your personality comes in. Now, this image that you will be carrying, you will be talking to a certain market. There is a saying, if you talk to a certain market, you are talking to someone. But if you're talking to everybody, you're not talking to anybody. I'll say it again. You have to pick your market. You cannot talk to everybody. Ano ba market mo? Market ko mga young entrepreneur. Yung mga 18, mga 16 years old hanggang 25 years old. Yan. Tutukan mo yun. Ano imaging nila, ano gusto nila nakikita, ano yung style of living nila. You live on that world. Now, if your target is like, for example, sila Ana Garcia, sila Ana Resio, ang target nila is the big ones, the sila Jackie, yung mga big established people, naka blazer with the tie, with companies like this, with contractor XYZ, Doctor ABC, professional 1, 2, 3. Jackie, Ann Garcia, Ana Recio, nandun sila sa ganung level eh. The professional ones. So pack yourself like a professional then. Di ba? Because that's what who you're talking to. So you post stuffs like that talking to these people. Build a strong personal brand. It defines your unique selling proposition. It creates your personal brand. It will reflect your values. What are your values? And always be sure that you're authentic. Totoo ka. Use consistent branding across online profiles, websites, and content. Daily, at least post yourself. Talk. Remember, video of you is more powerful than a photo of something. Don't just take a photo of your coffee, post oh, this is my coffee by the way. Eh, compares as a person nagtitimpla, iniinom, seeing you consuming, I really like my coffee barley. Alam nyo guys, drinking my coffee barley after I play basketball, it really feels good. It's my post workout. I love it after playing basketball. Mo, Boba, you can do that. Create a video. Hey guys, I'm with barley coffee. After I play basketball the whole day, I feel good drinking this one. So if you're there looking for a post workout after a great day, after a big day, try this. Feels good. Pack, cut, post, boom. Contact me if you like. Something like that. You being seen in a video is better than a photo of your product. Sir PV, what do you mean? Okay, look at this. Giant products like Rexona, Safeguard, uh, etc., Pantene, Tide, what the giant product, Nescafe, Joy, Action, ano ba, Colgate. If if they will just take a photo of their product and post it on billboard or in any TV commercials, it's cheaper for them. But what do they do? They get an artista, a well-known artista, and pay that well-known artista millions just to consume the product. Shh. Whitening teeth. Sasabihin niya, no, ding dong daddy. Shh. Million yun. That's 7 million. Because they believe the power of advertising is people see the person consuming the product. Since you don't have a million to get Ding Dong Dantes or Gary Valenciano or whoever that is, Kim Chu, you can be the endorser of your own business. 'Di ba? So consume it. Show it to them that you're consuming it. Now, personal branding is very, very, how do we understand personal branding? Personal branding is how you want yourself to be seen. How do you see yourself personally? Ako, I see myself as a young entrepreneur, a multi-millionaire, a very successful, young, happy, funny guy, hindi boring, pero sobrang laki kumita. Hindi ako yung parang nagbebenta ng encyclopedia. Hindi ako seryosong tao, pero yung kinikita ko mas seryoso pa sa seryosong tao. Tumatawa ako mukha akong kengkoy, pero yung kinikita ko hindi pang kengkoy. You get what I mean? So package yourself, ask yourself how you want to see yourself. Next, how do you want others to see you? Ako kasi, gusto ko makita ko ng tao na I'm a cool, light guy, easily to talk to, so that I can attract them. Kasi pag masyado kang stiff, people go away eh. Pag hindi ka friendly, people go away. So my law of attraction is light, happy guy, easy to get along with. That's my branding. Hindi ka pwede dito masungit. Walang negosyanteng masungit. Yung mga anak lang ng negosyante kasi mga COD.com, yung Cash App Daddy, Cash App Mommy. I don't want to talk to him, he's cheap. I don't like him. No, I'm so shy. I'm mayaman. Don't like to talk to him. Usually, people like that are not the successful ones. It's their parents who are successful. But the real successful people, I'll tell you a story. Few years ago, nandito ako sa baba ng BGC. I'm walking in Forbes Town Road. I saw a guy looking at the garage. garage tuloy, garbage can. And then this guy wearing long sleeves, stuck in, looking at the garbage can and picking stuff up. Sabi ko, what the, why is he picking, why is he picking stuff in the garbage? And then, when he finished doing picking stuff, yung pagkatapos niya kumuha ng mga basura, alam mo, paglingon niya sa akin, alam mo sino yung nakita ko? It's Andrew Tan, the billionaire of the Philippines, who owns Mega World. Wow. Wow. And he even said hi to me. I think nandito sa profile ko yun, pinost ko. He said hi to me. Sabi niya, hi. Ako, hi. Nagpa-photo ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, can I have a photo with you? You know what? That only made me realize that a real wealthy person is very humble, easily to talk to, friendly to everybody, not judging anyone. Hindi, in Tagalog na lang, para hindi maakte. Ang tunay na mayaman, di maakte. Hindi masungit, hindi, nakikita ko yung mga taong gano'n, yung mga wala talagang pera. Magulang na nila mayaman. So if you are there, especially if you have a kid, if you have a daughter, if you have a son, show them humility, show them a real wealthy person is a down-to-earth, humble person. Sorry, nasingit ko lang yan. All right, so now let's move on. How do you want to see yourself? How others see you is your personal brand. Okay, so tonight, write down 5 things. How do you want to see yourself? 5 things. How do you want others to see you? And that would be your personal branding. All right. So now, how do you why brand yourself? Why brand yourself? Remember, you are the first product of the business, not the barley juice, not JC, not everything. You are the network marketing. People join because of you, Jackie. People join because of you, Harleen. People join because of you, Haley. People join because of you, Naomi Elka. They did not join because of me. Oy, gwapo si Piwi, ang cute. I will join. Hindi 'yon. 95% people will join, it's because of you. Because people trust you. Kaibigan mo yan eh. Kamag-anak mo yun, kapitbahay mo yan eh. Facebook friends mo yun. Boba, Mo, people will join your business, it's because of you. Because they know you as a basketball player. They are your fans. They're also a co-basketball player. They're also from synagogue. They know you. So to be, you need to take care of you. You have to brand you as you, your image. Now, the image will start that from your branding, the top five branding that you want them to see, your personal branding. Image is everything. The way they see you online, which is you have to be very careful with that because sometimes we do not know that a lot of people are looking at you online already, but they're not liking your photo, they're not commenting, but a lot of people are looking at you. So align your personal branding in your image. Okay? So if you want to show a professional young woman, professional single mom, a professional entrepreneur doing business professionally, then so be it. Di ba? Lumabas ka doon, naka-dress, naka-coat, nasa maganda ka opisina because that's your branding. That's your imaging. You can also brand yourself as a young entrepreneur. That's why I will be having a sit-down meeting with sila Kurt, sila 19, 16 years old. Because these guys, they cannot naman, the profession, cannot do that eh. So meron akong gagawin sa kanilang personal branding na makakausap namin yung mga kaedad nila. So I have a program for you guys, the Gen Z people, 20 years old pababa. Okay? Because you have your market also. Okay? So that will be discussed on the separate meeting. Now, branding you, what is your mission? So today, tonight, pag uwi mo, sulat mo lang. Ano ba mission ko dito? Ba't nga ba ako sumali dito sa networking na to ni Pewi? Ano ba to? Wala lang. Inom-inom lang ako ng coffee. Wala lang akong magawa para papalamig lang ako sa office niya. No, there should be a mission. Elka, Naomi, JM Akupan, Jackie. Ann Garcia, Ana Recio, Genron, Rai Renz, DJ, Mo, Harleen Haley. What's your mission? Me, if you ask me what's my mission is to make people earn millions in network marketing because I myself is a product of the business. Sa Tagalog, ang mission ko magpayaman ng maraming tao sa networking kasi ako mismo ay produkto ng negosyo. May resulta na sa akin yung negosyo eh. So gusto ko ipasa na sa iba. In English, I want people to become millionaires in network marketing because I myself is a product of network marketing business. So no one can stop me because I myself is already a product. That's my mission. Now, what's my values? My values are simple. We follow three principles. First principle, my first value is I present every day to my prospects. My second value is every week I have to make sure I have pay-ins. Third value, every night I should be on centering. Ask Krisha, an hour ago I was lying down. Sabi niya sa akin, di ba may centering? Sabi ko, sige, I'll rest lang for a while. But you know what? 8:45, nakahiga na ako, nakapantulog na, papahinga na ako tulad mo. I have to stand up again because it's a commitment. Ikaw lang ba napapagod? Ako din na, tao lang din ako. Ikaw lang ba inaantok ka ba? Ako din. Ikaw lang ba may ginagawa? Ay, mas madami akong ginagawa kaysa sa'yo. Malam mo lang. But I choose to follow the values of every night I show up at 9 p.m. centering. That's our value. Every day, we present to a prospect 1 to 10, 1 to 3 to 10 people. Second, every week you have one person adding in your team. So if you're already 2 weeks member here, brother, DJ, Renz, Rai, Bo, and Mo, every week you should have one person under you. Every week, every before Monday, you should sign up at least one person under you. Especially for Renz and Rai, for DJ, for Mo and Boba. Put this on your principles, values. Every week I should have at least one sign up. No maximum, but at least one sign up before Mondays. Now, as we end, bilis ng time. Grabe, 9:56. Now, your vision. Put your vision. What's my vision? It's very simple. To be the number one of JC Premier as the best network marketing team. Hmm. You'll see that before the end of the year. Watch. Create valuable content. Okay? So after you knowing that the business is uh in social media, create content like create something like look at Ana Recia's posting. Nag-educate siya. Create something about coffee. Hey, you know what? Barley coffee can give you like this, etc., etc., etc. Or sometimes it can be entertaining like Harleen Guasque. Sumasayaw-sayaw sila, they make comedy videos. Or sometimes you just want to inspire like me. Diba? I post kung may pangarap ka pagtulungan natin. So, pwede mo paglaruan. You can post about educating them about the product, entertaining with the product, or inspire them. You can play around these three topics: educate, entertain, inspire. And then share it every day. At least 1 to 3 posts a day. Okay? Use various formats, post, videos, podcast. Again, when they see you consuming the product better, uh, videos are always better than photos. As we end, this will be continued, the part 2 tomorrow. You have to create valuable contents. Alright? So, ngayong gabi, guys, I hope nakatulong ang ating simpleng centering. Uh, at sana itong napag-usapan natin ngayong araw na to, na-appreciate nyo. No? So, because I myself is learning. No? I'm learning also to this new world of online marketing. Kaya sabay-sabay